Welcome everyone to Miss Lena's Kitchen. Thank you. I'm coming in with the holiday recipes, all right? And I hope you all are doing well and be blessed today. I'm first going to do my scripture, and I will be reading from Psalms 28:7. The Lord is my strength and my shield. My heart trusted in him, and I am helped. Therefore, my heart is greatly rejoiced. Psalms 28:7. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm going to do a crack candy today, and I'll be starting with my crackers. That's on the sheet on the parsley pan. All right.
It's supposed to be 50 crackers, y'all, but we had this big pan, so we added more. Oops, sorry. And make sure you have to break a piece of, because not supposed to be any gaps in the crackers, so you might have to break some up. I know I got a few gaps, but try not to have any gaps in the crackers, y'all.
Okay, so I have 2 sticks of butter, and I'll be putting them in the pan. Okay, all right, you chop them in cubes. And I'm using Lano-Lake butter in both of them. But I guess if you like, you can use margarine at it, if you would like. But anyway. Okay, 2 sticks of butter.
And now it's salted butter.
Okay. Salted butter. And 1 cup of packed brown sugar. It has to be packed in the cup.
Okay, y'all. She's gonna take it to the stove and cook it. And you only cook it for 3 minutes until it starts boiling. Hold on. Okay, y'all. She brought it over to the stove so she can cook it, and it only cooks 3 minutes until it starts bubbling. The toffee start bubbling. Now she's cooking this on high because, like I said,
it's on high.
It's supposed to cook for 3 minutes. Okay, y'all, it's bubbling. It's bubbling now. Okay, she's gonna walk over here and put it on the crackers. Hold on. Y'all, the taffy mix have to be on every single cracker. Okay, y'all, make sure it's covered all up. Hopefully we have it all covered up. And you're going to put it in the oven for 7 minutes and take it out on 350. All right, thank you. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, this is how it look when it come out the oven. It's been in the oven for 7 minutes. We're going to let it cool off for a couple of minutes. And then she's going to put the chocolate chips on. So once it's cool in 2 minutes, we'll be right back.
My 2 minutes cooling is up, so I'll be spreading the chocolate all across.
Okay, y'all, go back into the oven for 60 seconds. So she's gonna put it back in there for 60 seconds. We'll be back. Okay, y'all, it's been in the oven. Well, it was in there like 2 minutes, so it's probably been 60. Yeah, make sure the chocolate on every cracker. Okay. She's gonna put the pecans on 1 cup of pecans. But if it need more, we're gonna put more on it because we love pecans over here.
Okay, now once it's it has to cool down first, and then I put it in the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours. Then I'll bring it back to show you the finishing touches of it. So this is a cracked pecan candy.
All right, y'all, we'll be back. Thank you. Okay, y'all, this is the finishing touches of her cracked candies. Sorry about that. She's breaking it up, putting it on the tray. It was in the refrigerator for about 2.5 hours.
Okay. Oh, for them to...
Yeah, it's so good. Oh, my goodness. And she just taking the little crumbs that fell off. And I'm finna steal me this little piece right here.
Okay. Okay. Very good. It is delicious.
This how it look, y'all. That's very good. Oh my goodness. The kids gonna love this when they come over. Her great grandkids gonna love it.
This is very good. It is another thing off the chain. Please believe me. This will really be good for you to make for your friends or family. For your candy. These are nice desserts that you can just put around your coffee bar, candy bar, or cocoa bar, or whatever kind of bar you have. They're just like little appetizers. But they are delicious, if I tell you. It's off the chain here.
All you people make Christmas parties. That'd be good for a Christmas party.
Yes, for a Christmas party or for whatever you want to use it for. And they're good to make good gifts to give away also. So I sure thank you all. Y'all watch this video. It's a wonderful video to watch. And it's a wonderful video to do in order to give away gifts. So thank you so much, all of my subscribers. Happy holiday to everyone. Oh, this is Miss Lena's Kitchen with all this good crack candy. This is the one to have. Please believe me. Coming from watch all these videos. You will find a lot of ideas that you'll be able to make and give away to your friends in the next few weeks. So long now from Miss Lena's Kitchen. Oh, happy holiday to you all. every day.
Vlogmas day 6 and 7, y'all. Everybody have a good time.
Bye,
See you later.
Thank you. Goodbye with all my love.